Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Stopped by JJ Customs and picked up Speedtech RC car stand. We're gonna hook this up. So it's $22. It ships for free. So if you guys are interested, it's ships for free in the United States, and then there's a flat rate fee for worldwide. Let's see what this contains of, huh? So this is supposed to be a magnet, right? So it's holding a little screw there. Oh, nice. So that's a magnet. Here's the little cushions and feet, I guess. Let's see. Open it all up. Empty all the bags out, right? So you got those that stick on there. Pop these holes out. So you have shock holders. That's what these are. Which are awesome. If you guys don't have one of these, you need to get one just to hold your shocks. So when you put your shocks in, they can sit there and rest to get the air bubbles out. Okay, so we'll stick those on. And then this right here, how these screw out. So you can get higher and lower. Nice. Comes with the tools. Man, you can't beat that, guys. And I'm going to Loctite it just so it doesn't come apart on me. There's no reason for me to not. I mean, if you guys want to not Loctite them, then and use them for traveling or something like that. All right, does that make sense? Makes sense to me. So let me put a little bit of that through. This goes right here. It's pretty basic to put together, guys. So then we'll get this other little screw. Loctite. I mean, you don't need Loctite. I mean, it's not like it's going places, but I just don't want it coming apart on me. That's all. Okay. So you just crank them down, snug them up. That's why I like Loctite. So then you just snug them up. You don't have to crank on them. Yeah. Bam. Okay. Same with this one. Of course, that's a 2.0, and then you need a 2.5 to put the top one on. I'm gonna do this one too, just so that when you're spinning it around, it doesn't come apart accidentally, you know? That's all. And put that in the screw and hold the bottom here so it doesn't spin on you. Because if you don't hold the bottom, it's just gonna go. Okay. Bam, there you go, guys. You see how it raises and lowers? So if you got something small like a touring car, or you've got a crawler, big tires, these are good for 1/10. I use that for my 1/8 scale, and 1/7, I guess. I put on there. Use it for my buggies and everything. I have another one that I've had for a while, so these actually work pretty good. But yeah, Speedtech RC on there. You see that? It's got a measuring tape for you there. You put your magnet on this side, and that way you throw your screws in there and it won't fall off if you bump it a little bit. And then it does have a set screw, which I'm not gonna I'm not going to Loctite this one because you want to make this one adjustable. Like I said, it does come with the tools to put it together. I just have my own. Then you put that set screw on the side here. Okay. And if you don't want this to spin, you take the set screw and just set the screw in there and it won't spin no more. See? That way it doesn't spin on you. All right, and these are feet for the bottom if you want. I don't put the feet on because I like to slide a little bit, but everybody has their own way of doing things. So if you're on a hard table or something like that, you want to put the feet on so it won't slide on you as easy. But they don't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to get them close. Yeah. And it's cold in here, so the sticking part is gonna be funny, but I'll set a car on it for a little while and let it stick on there a little better. There we go. Okay. Not too shabby, guys. Not too shabby. 22 bucks, guys. You can't, you know, it's hard to beat. You walk right in the store, go grab it. Got yourself a nice little stand. Like I said, I use mine all the time. I have it sitting, my car sitting on one over there right now. Okay. There's your tools. Keep those in your go bag. Those come in handy. Sometimes you really need a little wrench sometimes. So I'm gonna take this little sticker and go. All right, there you go, guys. We'll nice little car on there. Bam. All right. There you go. It's nice and sturdy. Ain't going nowhere. Good little stand to either put your cars on or work on them. So you can you can work on them and do whatever you need to do. So there you go, guys. Please like, subscribe, and have a great day.